Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Aldoses and the ketoses. So first let's look at triose. Under triose, what do we have? There is aldose, that is a glyceraldehyde. Under triose there is glyceraldehyde. So aldose is glyceraldehyde and ketose is the dihydroxyacetone. Now looking at tetrosis, the aldose it includes erythrose and the ketose it includes the erythrulose. So EE is for the tetrose. Then the pentose. Pentose aldoses it includes the ribose, xylulose. Then comes arabinose. Now ketoses it includes the ribulose as well as the xylulose. Then looking at the hexoses it includes the glucose, galactose and the mannose. This is under aldoses, and then under ketosis it contains the fructose. Now heptosis. Heptosis is under ketose, there is acidoheptulose. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.